Hello everyone, and welcome to my kitchen. Today, we're going to make a delicious pastry together. It's quick and easy. First, I've got 3 cups of flour in my mixing bowl. I'm adding the yeast. About 1 teaspoon of salt should do the trick. I'm adding my salt now. And I'm adding 2 tablespoons of yogurt. I have 1 cup of milk. I'll add the milk gradually, little by little. We have 1 packet of baking powder. Let's add the flour now. And I'm starting to knead my dough. If you prefer, you can also knead it with just yogurt. Or even the liquid from your yogurt. It will be very helpful in making this pastry beautifully. And in turn, it makes a great pastry. If you don't want to use milk. Once the dough has come together, I'm taking it onto the counter. I'll knead it on the counter for at least 2-3 minutes. I've finished kneading my dough. I've chopped some parsley. Now watch closely, I'm cutting it into pieces. About the size of a walnut, smaller than a tangerine. Pieces about the size of a walnut should be just right. I'm sprinkling a little flour on my counter. And now I'm starting to roll out the dough. I've rolled out 4 of these dough pieces. I'm adding my cheese, the parsley cheese, inside like this. Now I'm folding it up nicely. See, we fold it like a crescent. Just like this. Easy, practical, and incredibly delicious. With just a few ingredients, you can make these for breakfast or any other meal. You can prepare them. If you like, you can trim the edges to help them seal better, or you can press down with a fork to seal these parts together more effectively. Actually, it's sealed nicely this way too. No problem at all. Let's add some oil to our pan and heat it up. Let's place our pastries into the hot oil. All right, I'm turning over my beautifully golden pastries. I don't think the other sides need much more time. Look at that, they're toasting up perfectly. I'm taking out my golden pastries and putting in the next batch. Here we go. I've prepared all the pastries, everyone. As you can see, they look absolutely stunning. Just look at that aroma. So light and fluffy. I've prepared some of the dough this way too. Like this. And I want to show you something.